Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download SEOquake reports for quick SERP analysis, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the official SEOquake website. If you haven't already, download and install the SEOquake browser extension. Add the extension to your preferred browser, such as Chrome or Firefox. Once installed, locate the SEOquake icon in your browser's toolbar. Click on the SEOquake icon to open the main interface. Sign in or create an account if necessary. Now, perform a search for any keyword or domain in your search engine of choice. Once the search results load, you should see additional data provided by SEOquake. To analyze a specific result, hover over the SEOquake icon next to the listing. Click on the icon to access detailed metrics for that page. For a report, look for the option labeled Export to CSV or similar. Select the Export option to download the SEOquake report. Choose a destination on your computer to save the file. Wait a few moments while the report downloads. Once downloaded, locate the file in your designated folder. Open the CSV file using spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. You can now review the SERP data and perform your analysis. That's it. You've successfully downloaded an SEOquake report for quick SERP analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.